possibly 3 or 4 years since you and I stood here at CES and talked about your first in-car head unit using Bluetooth technology, but I understand the game's moved on. Can you tell us about that?
This year we introduced Asteroid, and Asteroid is a new platform that Parrot has developed to bring telecom technology to the cars. So the idea is to bring the same as a smartphone experience into your car, into your dashboard. This car audio system, of course, has a mic, and it allows you to place phone calls through Bluetooth, through your telephone that you have in your pocket. It heavily uses voice recognition, including for music search. So you can look for any artist. For example, I can say Michael Jackson. For example, now we are streaming from the internet, Michael Jackson, and I access only through a voice command. It is built with Linux and using Android. So you have application. So this is the way that Parrot that we understand how we can bring the benefits of telecom, of all the technology built for smartphone, to put this technology for smartphones into the car.
Are your big manufacturers interested in this type of development?
Course. We have developed on the Android platform this first product, but also we have a second one I will show you. So here we have the same concept. We have Android for the car, but with a larger display. You have all the other functionalities that I have shown you before, the iPod, the USB, and all the media that you can have with you will be connected with the Parrot Asteroid into your car.
Here.
So this is the same concept, Android for the car, but for the car makers.
Okay.
So you have a small module, and this small module gives the same functionality as a smartphone for the car. We believe that it can be a good future for the car electronics is to adopt the technology, the hardware, but also the software of the telephone makers, because they have solved a lot of problems, connectivity, cost, and applications. And we believe that now you have the possibility to have a high-end system in any car. Even in a 10,000 pound car, you will be able to have a very high-end system using the technology developed for smartphones.
Okay, I'm now with Jason Goldberg of Ideal Life. His company is doing some interesting things with Bluetooth in healthcare. Jason, can you tell us a little bit about this?
Yeah, so Ideal Life is really about connecting individuals, health consumers with providers of care. We actually provide innovative Bluetooth-enabled products, wireless products, intelligent devices that wirelessly communicate information remotely to a robust information management engine, thus enabling clinicians, nurses, coaches, caseworkers, as well as, most importantly, why we're here, individual consumers, most importantly as caregivers, to better assist in managing chronic conditions on an ongoing basis.
Okay, so you're talking about putting equipment in the hands of consumers. Is this already out there now?
Yeah, so actually we've been working for a number of years now in the clinical space, working with significant numbers of health plans, providers, hospital groups, assisting thousands of people in better managing chronic conditions. And now we're excited to announce our entry into the consumer space with a number of different products that will be available later this quarter for individual consumers.
Okay, and why specifically did you choose Bluetooth over alternative wireless technologies, some proprietary or others?
Bluetooth was something important for us. We were looking for a powerful technology that was affordable, low power consumption, something that we could leverage with a highly secure technology protocol, as well as being able to expand the distance within the home environment where a lot of this interaction is happening. Also leverage the flexibility of freedom of mobility. So Bluetooth is essentially the standard personal area network. We can leverage the communication power of Bluetooth-enabled cell phones and communicate on the go as well.
Well, TRaC's a UK company and a contributing member of the Continua Alliance. I'm talking to Paul Russell. Paul, tell us a little bit about your contribution.
Okay, well, TRaC are here today supporting Continua in their aim to push forward interoperability of the medical devices within the market. TRaC sees it as a key driver to push forward the products and sort of really drive that market. We're a test organisation and we're based in the UK, and we ultimately look after a whole range of products within different industries, but with this focus is on the medical devices market. We look at regulatory tests of the products, but more importantly, with the Continua aspect, is looking at interoperability. So how those actual devices talk to other products within the ecosystem.
And I'm talking to George Brooks of LinuxWorks. He's going to talk to us about his company's cooperation with Intel and an application using Bluetooth technology.
What we have developed here is a product called a McAllen POC. This at one time was a wired heart sensor. The problem was that the clutter of the wires in a hospital, in a doctor's office, not only is there clutter, but it does introduce dangers as well. The company decided they would like to move to a wireless application. Bluetooth was chosen as the wireless, and in fact, Bluetooth is the standard protocol defined by the Continua Alliance.
Okay, so we've been touring CES looking for Bluetooth low energy products, and I'm now at Casio, and Mike's going to talk us through a Bluetooth low energy watch the company's now demonstrating.
So what I can do is first, actually, I can do a time and date stamp. So when you're traveling between time zones, it'll automatically update. So it'll communicate with the watch and automatically update the time, which we see right there. Okay, we can actually see when you receive an incoming call, let's say you're in a meeting or you're at church or something, so it's a little embarrassing. You actually see who's calling on here, and you can actually silence your phone. Just tap the watch twice, silences your call, stops the vibration there. Also, you can, when you receive an email or a text, it'll say mail, and it'll let you know the email address or text who's calling or coming in. We all know sometimes we've lost our phones, misplaced it around the house, so we can also ping the phone by pressing the lower right-hand button, and whatever alert you set up on the cell phone, it'll alert you.
Well, it wasn't so very long ago that we were hearing an awful lot about ultra-wideband. Well, it hasn't gone away. These days we know ultra-wideband by the name of wireless USB. Wisair is one of the companies that has been very actively developing this technology. And David Yaish is going to tell us all about the latest state-of-the-art products.
What I have in my hands is Wisair single chip CMOS. Mm-hmm. This chip successfully integrated in a number of products. We succeed to penetrate in the last 18 months into more than 20 OEMs with multiple products such as laptop to TV, 720, 1080, wireless docking station, audio streamer. So application-wise, one of the leading one is connecting your laptop to TV. Here we are showing, in this use case, your laptop. You sit here in the couch, connect wirelessly to your TV, stream any content that you have on your laptop, either photos, movies, and of course internet on TV. Here we are showing a new chip that will be released this year, supporting more physical channels up to 10 gigahertz. We are transferring here 480 megabit per second, getting 200 megabit per second net traffic. Another use case that we started to release is a touchscreen monitor. It's a wireless touchscreen monitor. You can access wirelessly from this touchscreen monitor to your PC. It gives you the freedom to run any application that you have on your PC in this touchscreen monitor. In this use case, we connect wirelessly your audio content and streaming it into your home theater system.
Right.
Connect, again, same adapter here, an adapter that connects to your home theater system, and you can stream surround high quality audio.